Imagine a life where luxury isn't just lived, it's breathed. Welcome to Marlex Apartment, where every door opens to a world of elegance, every window frames a story, and every stay is anything but ordinary. Step into our sleek, smart, luxurious apartments. Wake up to Thames sunrise views, unwind on your private balcony, and let the city's rhythm fade behind you. This isn't just an apartment, it's your sanctuary. Hidden in plain sight, minutes from Canary Wharf's power hubs, yet steps from Southwark's secret gardens. Who says you can't have it all? Your London story starts here. DM to claim your slice of the extraordinary. Marlex Apartment, where luxury doesn't wait, it invites. Dare to live differently.
Your London dream. Double rooms for lovebirds high. Singles for solo stars in the sky. Kitchen stocked Wi-Fi that flies. Bathroom sleek under neon skies. Tower Bridge views or Shoreditch beats. East to West End. Take your pick. Book today. No middle.